Hey, what's up, Tron holder? It's a really shock news for all of you because the very danger move is coming soon now, my brother. And absolutely, if you do this, is what I talk to you, I hope, my brother, you will be completely safe from the loss now. Let me show, my brother. First of all, the change occurs, the update, and absolutely after that, we already care this coin. We share opinion, and you better understand, my brothers, to upcoming time can they will give you a profit or not. So, my brother, this time you can see the change occur last 1 hour, last 7 days, and last 1 day. You can see the three changes occur. My friend, result is on the screen, and you can see in the last 1 hour they positive, last 1 day positive, last 7 days positive. So it's mean to the price will be increasing now. So exactly, my friend, if the price is increased, so it's mean to this time the Tron, as my friend, broke all record, because in the start of month if they moving upward, so it's mean, my brothers, to they will completely all months moving upward now. I hope, my brother. Let's see, but kindly hold up, please remember, my brothers, to upcoming time, the after a fails every craft currency will take a very huge jump now. So this time, my friends, from last month this coin is very badly dumps down. So I hope, my brothers, to after this short fail they will take a very huge jump now, and they will give you a profit now. Thanks for watching, holder. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos.